Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we had started our unit 8 and we have done few pages of them that is related to our country India, its capital, national symbols, and then we have done in yesterday class national leaders or the leaders which are very or quite famous in the world. Related to them, we have done one page yesterday. Today we are going to start with a unit 8, that is page number 64, which is countries and flags. So today we are going to do page number 64, which is related to flags of different countries. See, flag of a country, what does it symbolize? That what is the history of that country? Next, what does it symbolize? That what do they expect for their country, and how they will take it, all those things for the country. If I'll talk about our country's national flag, that is Tiranga. It consists of three colors: saffron, white and green. Now each color has its own symbolization. For example, our country has done many sacrifices to get freedom. So our first color, which is saffron, symbolizes that only. Then we never fight with anyone without any reason. So that symbolizes that we believe in peace. And green color, which stands for green revolution, growth, development, and we are believing in that. Then a wheel, which is there inside the flag, that symbolize that we keep on moving, we keep on developing. So that is what is the meaning of our country flag. So similarly, today we are going to see the meaning of our country flag, as well as we will see the country flag of different other countries. So first of all, in your book it is given Russia. So first of all, Russia, the very important thing about Russia is the largest country. Largest country means it is the biggest country, largest country in the world according to the area. Fine? That how much area was covered by this country, largest country. That's why according to area only this Russia is called the largest country. Next is largest country in the world. This you have to remember. Fine? If I'll ask, or anybody will ask, which is the largest country in the world, then your answer will be Russia. Now what next is there? It is almost 5 times bigger than India. So here we were talking about area. Now what is area? For example, our country is occupying this much area, and into 5, that space will be multiplied by 5, and then that Russia will be formed. So 2 important things. Russia is the largest country in the world. Second important thing, it occupies 5 times area as of India. Fine. If I'll ask or somebody in paper, it will ask that how much area is occupied by Russia as compared to India, then you will give answer that Russia occupies 5 times of the area of India. So now we'll move to our next country, that is our national flag, that is India. Now it has 4 colors: saffron, white, green and blue. The flag is also called Tiranga. Why? Because the blue wheel on the white part of the flag is called Ashok Chakra. And so many things related to our flag that I have told you. That is, our flag is called Tiranga. tricolor also, as well as we called it Tiranga. Fine. So this Tiranga is the means that consists of 3 colors. So that is there. That is a Hindi name of our flag, and tricolor is a English name, and India flag is consist of a chakra in between, which I have told you earlier only, that is called Ashok chakra. Fine. And 24 spokes were there inside that flag. Now come to next, that is England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland together form a country which is called United Kingdom. Short में we'll call it UK also. If somebody will ask what is the full form of UK, then you will answer United Kingdom. United means एक साथ जुड़ जाना. Fine. And United means एक साथ जुड़ करके and then they form a kingdom. Kingdom means साम्राज्य. Fine. एक साथ जुड़ के. So इसमें क्या है? England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Fine. England. You have to remember this. England, Scotland, then Ireland and Wales. Wales I write here. Wales. These 4 countries are combined and then United Kingdom, UK is formed. Fine. And they have a common flag. Fine. Common flag they are having with blue, red and white color. Fine. Blue, red and white color are there in the flag. Now what next? Next is USA, United States of America. Number 4 is the United States of America. In short, we were called it USA. Fine. So the United States of America has its own flag, which consists of stars on blue panel and red and white stripes are there. So these flag we will see just now, and let's revise once again all these 4 flags which we have just done. Fine. First flag, that is this flag. I'll show you this flag. This is your first flag. See, Russia. This white, blue and red. 3 color stripes are there, white, blue and red. 3 color stripes are there on this flag. And Russia is the largest country. सबसे बड़ी country है in the world. According to area. Area means अभी आप छोटे हो, आपको नहीं पता area what does it means. Area means for example आपने घर देखा होगा, किसी का घर छोटा होता है, किसी का घर बड़ा होता है. It means as much land that is occupied by that person. ठीक है, जितना उसका जमीन होती है, जिसकी जितनी ज्यादा जमीन होती है उतना बड़ा घर होता है. Similarly in the case of Russia, रशिया ने मैक्सिमम एरिया ऑक्यूपाई करके रखा एंड द पॉपुलेशन इज नॉट मच. फाइन. पॉपुलेशन उतनी नहीं है बट वो कंट्री का लैंड एरिया बहुत ज्यादा है, विच इज 5 times ऑफ इंडिया. व्हाट इज इट मीन बाय 5 times? मतलब उसकी कंट्री में से अगर हम इंडिया बनाएंगे सो वी कैन मेक 5 इंडियाज. ठीक है, 5 इंडिया का लैंड जितना एरिया वी कैन मेक इट. Now Russia is the largest country in the world. Fine. ये आपको याद रखना है. Russia is the largest country and in the flag of Russia we have 3 color. Just now I have shown you, that is white, blue and red. 3 stripes are there. 3 पट्टियां हैं, stripes हैं, and these 3 stripes are of white, red and blue color. So now we'll come to next, which is our flag India, that is Tiranga tricolor. It consists of 3 colors, saffron, white and green. Fine. Saffron white and green, and we have a chakra which is on white band. Fine, and that chakra is called Ashok chakra, and it consists of 24 spokes. Fine. Now we have saffron, white and green. As I told you just now that each color stands or symbolize something. Fine, हमारी country का either it is related to history, either it is related to our development, either it is related to some growth. ठीक है, हमारी कंट्री कैसे डेवलप कर रही है, या उसको फ्रीडम दिलाने के लिए हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ. तो वो हमारी कंट्री के लोगों का सेक्रीफाइस करेज वॉज शोन विद द सैफरन कलर, एंड वी वर नॉट बिलीव टू फाइट विद एनी वन. तो हमारा वो जो कलर है वो व्हाइट कलर से आ गया. फिर रेगुलरली वी वांट टू इम्प्रूव, वी वांट टू डेवलप, तो वो हमारा ग्रीन कलर से आ गया. Now next is UK, United Kingdom. If somebody will ask what is the full form of UK, you can tell this answer, United Kingdom. Fine. Now United Kingdom is formed. United मतलब एकजुट, एक साथ मिला दे. We all are united means मतलब हम सब एक हैं. तो United means एक साथ मिलके बनाया हुआ एक बड़ा सा देश, किंगडम. So that is United Kingdom, and it is formed by 4 countries: Wales, England, Scotland and Ireland. अभी ये एक जो UK है, UK एक पूरा बड़ा कंट्री है, and that country was formed by 4 small countries, that is Wales, England, Scotland and Ireland. These 4 countries name you will remember. Now the 4th one is, okay, I'll show you the flag which they were using. Combinedly they formed this flag, ये वाला flag जो है. Combinedly they formed this flag, and जिसमें आप देख सकते हो, you can see a red cross and then white, this kind of a picture over there. And then they have used 3 colors again, red, white and blue. ये देखिए. This one is the flag of which are UK, United Kingdom. Fine. Now come to next, the United States of America is the largest country. Again, अभी ये largest है, and this United States of America is a large country. Fine. Large country मतलब ये भी एक अच्छी खासी बड़ी है country, but not as much of a Russia with 50 states. अभी now 50 states means हमारी इंडिया का almost that will be 1.5 or more than that, 1.75. Fine, because we in our country we have 28 states only, and here we have approximately 50 states. Not approximately, we have 50 states in United States of America. The United States of America is a large country, has 50 states. You can see the flag also. This stars were there in this blue, and then we have this red stripes on white band. Now we'll come to quick quiz which is given in your book. What are the colors of the Indian flag? So here we are going to learn the meaning of all those colors. What are the colors of the Indian flag? This quick quiz you will do it in your book, and while doing this book you will learn the meaning of all the color, what they stands for. Fine, that also you will understand. So let's start that. Now in Indian flag, as I told you that it consists of 3 colors. Fine, 3 colors, and it has the particular meaning of that. Now first of all, saffron. Now saffron stands for Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. Courage and sacrifice. Now this courage and sacrifice is related to related to our freedom fighter, related to our army, related to our defense. Fine, they have that courage कि वो अपनी कंट्री को दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट. फाइन. और जो हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर थे उन्होंने तो दे हैव प्रूव्ड इट. उन्होंने क्या किया, दे हैव फाइट फॉर अस एंड देन दे हैव गॉट फ्रीडम and they sacrifices also their life. Fine, like today's day you can see. So we have recently on 28th of September we have birthday of Bhagat Singh, one of the freedom fighters. Fine, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ जो है, अपनी लाइफ बहुत ही छोटी एज में, लाइक 24-25 years की एज में ही सेक्रीफाइसेस हिज लाइफ फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. भगत सिंह ने. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट करेज, मतलब वो जो जुनून है, वो जो फाइट करने का जज्बा है, दैट इज देयर इन आवर कंट्री. सो नाउ विल कम टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज व्हाइट. व्हाइट स्टैंड्स फॉर प्योरिटी एंड ट्रुथ. Purity and truth. Now purity means हम किसी को we will not, किसी को hurt नहीं करते. And purity means that truthness lies inside our heart. हम अंदर से प्योर हैं. We don't want to, हम उस चीज़ों को, अपने जो संस्कार हैं, अपने जो मॉरल्स हैं, वैल्यूज हैं, we cannot leave that. हम उसको अपने साथ रखें and then we are moving forward. So now next is green color, and green stands for faith and fertility. Faith means Vishwas, and fertility. Fertility means that growing of crop and all. Fine. Fertility means production. Faith means we believe each other. ऐसा नहीं है कि if we are living together तो हम एक दूसरे पे विश्वास नहीं करते. We are living in a different society. The people, those who are living besides us, they are also different, but they have such kind of a bonding in them. एक दूसरे में कितनी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग होती है हमारी. Now next is blue. Blue color stands for, blue color is for that Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra is of blue color, and that is wheel for, blue wheel for progress. That stands for progress. Now this meaning of colors in a national flag, that you have to learn as it is. Fine. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. And what do you mean by courage and sacrifice? Where you are going to interlink all those things, that also you will remember. Then white stands for purity and truth. Green, faith and fertility. Blue stands for, blue wheel for progress. So now next again we have few countries, and we are going to see the flag of those countries. Now we have, next is UAE. In our last class I have told you what is the full form of UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Fine. Now again, just now I have told you about United Kingdom. So United, whenever you will be getting this word like United means which form together. Fine. जो एक साथ मिलके बनते हैं, they are called united. Fine. In that same way, like here we have United means again United Arab Emirates. UAE, first of all, full form of UAE is very important. Number 5, UAE, which I have told you, United Arab Emirates. Now what is here, that UAE, how UAE is formed. United Arab Emirates means we'll talk about Arabic countries. तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारी कंट्रीज थी. सो व्हाट दे एग्जैक्टली फॉर्म्ड कि उनमें जो डिफरेंट छोटे 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 रीजन्स थे, एरियाज थे, उन्होंने उनको डिवाइड करके दे फॉर्म्ड अ बिग, एक ये यूएई, एक बड़ा सा यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, एक ऐसा स्टेट बनाया जिसके अंदर वी हैव 7 अरब एमिरेट्स, फाइन, 7 कंट्रीज में, 7 स्मॉल कंट्रीज को मिला के, एंड देन दे फॉर्म दिस यूएई. व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ दैट? अबू धाबी, दुबई, शारजाह, आजमहा, उमन अल कुआ, रा अल खयाम एंड अल फुजियार. It is a desert country. Fine. Abhi it is formed with 7 Arab Emirates, that is region which are ruled by emirs or sheikhs. Fine. So these are the 7 regions. 7 regions ko, the name is not important. You will remember that 7 regions ko combine karke, and then this UAE is formed. Now what is there? It is a desert country. This you will remember. It is a desert country. Actually earlier they were ruling separately. पहले ये एक साथ, they are not combined together. They were ruling separately, and later on they decided that if all the areas were ruled by sheikhs only, by the Arab people only, so why shouldn't they combine and then they will form that United Arab Emirates? So they formed it, and it is a desert country. ये एक desert country है. Desert country means a country which is formed like जो जहाँ पे पानी बहुत कम होता है, like हमारे यहाँ पे in India we have राजस्थान, तो राजस्थान में कैसा एक desert area होता है. Desert area we doesn't get a plenty of rainfall. तो ये now the flag of that, अब flag क्या है, different areas से मिलके बना है, then they have joined and they have 4 colors in them, red, green, white and black. So now we'll come to Singapore. Next very important country, Singapore. A small country but well developed country. Singapore is a small country, but it is well developed, having all those things which were required to survive there. Now Singapore is a city which is as well as a country as well. Now what is the capital of Singapore? That is very important. Singapore ki capital is Singapore itself, because Singapore country is also there and Singapore city is also there. Now it is known as the Garden City for its many parks and tree-lined streets. Find their streets are tree-lined, means on both of the sides they have trees, and many parks are there. That's why Singapore is called Garden City. It's very important. Garden City, because plenty of greenery is there, and on the road, on both sides of the road they have green trees. Now last one, that is number 7, that is Japan. Number 7 country is Japan. Now what do you mean by Japan? Japan is a country of island. So this is very important. Why it is called country of island means इसमें छोटे छोटे areas and छोटे छोटे cities were there which was formed inside the sea, in between the sea. छोटे छोटे उसमें small islands were there, and all those islands are combined and then this country was formed. So this Japan is called country of islands. Country of islands. Fine. This you will remember, country of islands. Now what is next? And a few thousand, it consists of 4 main islands and a few thousand smaller islands in a Pacific Ocean. So this country was formed near Pacific Ocean, and within the Pacific Ocean, इसके जापान के 4 islands are there. Along with that 4 islands, they have many more, a few thousand smaller islands are also there in near Pacific Ocean. So with this, we have finished this country. So now I'll show you the flag of United Arab of Emirates. After that, we'll see the flag of Singapore. See, this is the flag of United Arab Emirates. Then this is of Singapore. Then this is of Japan. Fine. A quite simple flag they have. That Japan. Now Japan, many times Japan got destructed by the natural phenomenon, or those kind of things were there that the country was destroyed many times. Now number 2, answer the following questions. Now the quick quiz which is given on page number 65, that we will see. From which symbol has the wheel in the center of the national flag or the Indian flag been taken? That is taken from the lion capital of Ashoka. This flag में जो आपका quick quiz will do it. Quick quiz which is given on page number 65. This is given on page number 65. Now the lion capital of Ashoka. Capital of Ashoka. From here we have taken our Ashok Chakra. Fine. From lion capital of Ashoka, from here we have taken our Ashok Chakra. Now how many colors we see in our national flag? That I have told you. We see 4 colors. How many colors? We see 4 colors. So now number 3 is, how many spokes does the wheel on the Indian flag have? That also I have told you, 24 spokes we have. We have 24 spokes. Now number 4, that is, what kind of a cloth is mostly used to make the national flag of India? So that is khadi. Mostly khadi cloth. Khadi cloth is used to make the national flag of India. So children, here we will revise all these quick quiz. Along with that, we will revise 5, 6 and 7 country which we have done. First one is United Arab Emirates. Here only you will see United Arab Emirates. See, on the board I am writing the things which is very important for you all, and from this whole paragraph you have to remember only these things which I am writing on the board. Now here United Arab Emirates, full form of UAE, which is formed by 7 Arab regions which were ruled by Arab people, Sheikh people, and this is one of the desert country. Fine. Means important desert country. Fine. Now come to next, Singapore. The capital of Singapore is also Singapore, because Singapore's country is also there and Singapore city is also there, and it is called Garden City because many parks and many gardens. In fact, in the street also they have tree-lined street. On both sides of the street they have tree. So it is called Garden City. Number 7 is Japan, which is called country of island because we have that Japan is made up of 4 island which is there, and so many other islands were there in the Pacific Ocean, and all these together formed a country which is called Japan. Just because this Japan is there inside the Pacific Ocean, so sometime due to tides the earthquake has came and Japan बहुत बारी it got destructed. Then the quick quiz which is given on this page number 65. 64 page quiz also there, that we have done, and this also we have done. So today we have seen flags of different countries and we have learned few important things about those countries. So children, now in the next class we are going to see next page which is related to unit 8 only. So today we are going to finish our class here. Hopefully you have liked the class, and just see the video and revise it. Have a good day now, children.